all you need to do in this platform is create a video based on the tax. Okay, so it's not like other videos where you get $1 like Peretia or any kind of all this particular platform that you pay in order for you to start making money in the platform. No, it's not like this particular apps. This particular one, all you need to do is just make sure that you have your internet connection and you have a good camera or your phone or any kind of thing, that just to make sure that you talk about a particular product or you talk about a particular clip, or you just have to do like something like advertising for these particular people. So in this platform, all you need to do is just for you to advertise people's products or advertise clips, like you kind of direct people to their platform. For example, let me just use myself for example. Like I got to pay this particular app in order for this app to like advertise my video and in order for me to get more subscribers. So I will be needing value from this particular app, and I will ask them to like I need like 100 people to repost my shorts, like repost this video or turn this video into shorts in their platform. So when these people turn this video to shorts and my video is kind of helpful or I'm selling something, people are going to be coming to my platform and they're going to be subscribing and they're going to be asking for what I'm selling. So this particular platform has been in existence for so long and people have been making use of it. What you need to do is just get 1,000 views and you are being paid in this particular platform. So in order for you to earn this in this platform, all you need to do is just make sure you filter your money, like you filter your earnings in order for you to get to the highest pay. So this particular website is free and of course it is paying. Hi, welcome back to Earn with Vivian. In this platform we share more on how to make money online and of course how to grow your YouTube page. If this video turns out to be helpful, please don't forget to hit that subscription button and don't forget to let me know in the comment section if you are going to be trying this particular platform, because in a short while I'm going to be showing you how to navigate to this particular website and how to make use of this website, and you're gonna love it, believe me. So don't forget to subscribe and don't forget to like and comment in this video. So all you need to do is type whoop.com. So when you're in this interface, you're going to see a lot of tags. So all these things are tags. So you are seeing this particular one here that says I'm a new user and all that. So this place is all about the post. This is the leaderboards and all that. So when you come to this particular place, wow. So when you can come to this particular place, all you need to do is come to this place where it says start earning. Like you're going to see we're going to see top sports picks group. So all you need to do is come to the place where it says get paid to clip content, which is start earning. You're not going to see that anywhere around here except here. So you come to this place and type start earning and it's going to bring you to a new interface where you say content rewards. Okay, so you're going to be doing content for these particular people like this. Now as you can see, these are content, some are uploaded today, some have been uploaded since, like you can see this one here, Ambro clips. As you can see his clips now, a lot of people have engaged on it. So each 1,000 views from this particular video is going to pay them $3. So imagine you earning from this particular place. And also, so you guys, my background is kind of noisy, I'm so sorry. So imagine you earning from all these particular platform. So for you to filter this in order to get higher paying ones, you come to the place where you say type, you see category, and you see something that like 3 dots. So you tap on it, you're going to see highest available budget, most paid out, highest CPM, and So you come to highest CPM. So in this highest CPM, I'm going to see $200. If you should do video for this video generation AI and you are being taken, you are going to be getting $200 per each 1k views. This one is $100 per each 1k views. This sickly slippers, so they're already getting 473 views. So whoever that is doing this is trying already. So all you need to do is come here, do video on all this stuff. So for you to join, most of these particular projects, like most of these particular tags, they have been filtered out for some countries, because some countries are like using fake views, like they buy views for all these stuff. So this one says click for Printful and earn $2 per 1,000 views. So you drop a clip for them and earn 1,000 earn $2 per 1,000 views. So all you need to do is just tap on join. You see, so when you tap on join, they'll ask for your phone number. I'm in Nigeria, so I'm going to look for my country. Okay, Nigeria, and I'm going to type in my number. So like this, now I have joined this particular one. So I'm going to, like, if I should do video on this, I've joined. If you want to make your video, all you need to do is come to the place where it says guide, and you are going to be guided. Okay, so this particular campaign, now they say they have 3 campaigns running for Printful. Please read carefully and follow the specific requirements for each one. So this is your full step-by-step guide on what type of videos to make, how long they should be, and what the content needs to include. So this is what you need to do. It says do not impersonate Printful or any influencer who made Printful content before. Always use the hashtag Printful. If you click on influencer, tag them or add their name as a hashtag. Your account bio must include at least one of these links. So you are going to take one of these links and put it there. So they're already giving you example script, which you can also do. The first campaign, short form, no face needed. Like this first campaign, they don't need any face, so it's going to earn you 0.50 CPM. The script example, this campaign has 2 formats depending on your video length. So they're already giving you examples for the campaign and the things you need to know. So on everything you need to know about this. Then the requirements, the video must be like 100% focused on Printful. So everything you need to talk about should be on Printful, or it should be on any particular video at all. So here is an example of the tutorial and how you are going to make it. Then third campaign, short form face, which is $2 CPM. So all these things are all you need to do. If you are still unsure which campaign your video fits, ask a mode in the chat before posting. So you got to follow their guide before you post any of these videos. Okay, so once you post it and you get to 1,000 views, you will be paid your money. Okay, so this is all about this particular platform. So if eventually I get 1,000 views from doing a Printful a post about Printful, it means that I'm going to be getting $50 per 1,000 views. So you guys, you can also do it. And if you have watched to this extent, please don't forget to hit that subscription button, and don't forget to like this video. And of course, I'm going to teach on how you are going to be making money with Printful, so make sure you stay tuned and watch the video. Love you. See you in my next video.